In this episode, we'll move on to the Facebook Pixel. The Pixel provides you with valuable data for your Facebook ads. By using the Pixel, you can gather information about your website visitors and customers to help Facebook better understand who to show your ads to. But first, let me show you how to set it up.
We're now in your Business Manager, and what we want to do is that we want to go to your Events Manager, which is located underneath Measure and Report. So, we're now in the Events Manager. Here you see the Facebook Pixel, so to track website activities. You got your offline events, measure real-world results. You got app events, which measures app activity and outcomes of that. But what we want to do in this episode is that we want to set up the Facebook Pixel. So it works with websites and mobile websites. So let's get started. So first, you want to name your pixel. So in this case, it's Salzer Academy's Pixel. And here you can enter your website, but it's optional. And then you can see how you can set up your pixel the best way for you. But we're going to do it like this and not put in our website there. So we're going to click continue. So here you get 3 options on how to install the Pixel code. First option, add the code using a partner integration. So this is good if you're using a CMS system. So for Squarespace, WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and others. Also the Google Tag Manager works here. This is really straightforward and minimal technical support needed. So choose this one if you have the availability to do it. Otherwise, you can manually add the Pixel code to your website. So this requires you to have access to be able to change your website's code. So this is good for custom sites, and there are some technical support needed. If you don't have the availability to do any of these two, you can email the instructions to your developer, and then they will do it for you. So they will get an email with the instructions. So select the one that suits you best. After selecting one of the 3 options, you have now successfully set up your Facebook Pixel, and you are ready to create your first Facebook ads campaign. Good luck!